Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we review all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a human hair wig that's been creating quite a buzz, the Hermosa 13x4 chocolate brown lace front wig. This 180 density HD lace front wig promises a flawless fit with a natural look, and it's pre-plucked for an even more authentic hairline. Let's take a closer look at how it performs in real life. First up, let's break down the features. The Hermosa lace front wig is made with 180 density Brazilian straight human hair. It comes in a beautiful number 4 chocolate brown shade that gives off natural, rich tones. The 13x4 HD lace is designed to be ultra soft, invisible, and breathable, which is important for comfort and longevity. Not only does it look like real hair, but it also feels soft and silky, with a texture that's smooth to the touch. The wig can also be restyled, dyed, and permed, giving you the flexibility to create different looks. When it comes to comfort, the wig comes with an adjustable cap, which fits most head sizes with a circumference of 22.5 inches. It also includes 4 combs and an elastic strap, making it secure without the need for glue. I have to say, glueless wigs are a huge plus for ease and convenience. I tested this wig over the course of several days, wearing it for various occasions to see how it held up. The wig is super lightweight and breathable, which made wearing it for hours at a time a breeze. The lace blended seamlessly with my skin, making it almost impossible to tell where the wig started and my natural hair ended. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling, which is often a concern with wigs, especially longer ones like this one. Even after styling it with heat tools, the hair maintained its shine and softness. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture of this wig is incredibly soft, and it feels natural, almost like my own hair. The pre-plucked hairline really helps with that realistic look, and the HD lace is definitely a standout feature. It's practically invisible. The adjustable cap and elastic strap make it easy to get a secure fit without using glue. Plus, you can style it however you like, whether you want straight hair, waves, or curls. However, there are a few things to consider. While the wig is high quality, the length, 30 inches, may require a bit more maintenance, especially when it comes to detangling. If you're not used to wearing longer wigs, it might take a bit of extra time to get used to the length and weight. Additionally, the price could be a bit of a stretch for some people, depending on your budget. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's a solid investment if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile wig that can be restyled and worn for a long time. The 180 density hair and the Brazilian quality really set it apart from lower-priced options that might not hold up as well over time. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that still offer good quality, though they might not be quite as customizable or comfortable. Compared to other wigs on the market, the Hermosa lace front wig stands out in terms of the HD lace, the pre-plucked hairline, and the fact that it's glueless. If you're comparing this to more affordable wigs, you might notice some differences in comfort, durability, and overall appearance. The build quality of the wig is strong. The lace is durable and breathable, and I didn't notice any signs of wear, even after several days of use. As far as longevity goes, I'd expect this wig to last with proper care, and it can be reused multiple times. Just make sure to follow the recommended maintenance routine for human hair wigs to keep it looking fresh. If you've had experience with customer support from Hermosa, feel free to share. Personally, I didn't need to reach out, but their reputation for handling inquiries is solid. In terms of product alternatives, if the price point is a bit high for you, there are other high-density lace front wigs available that provide similar styling versatility. Look for wigs with HD lace and glueless options for the best comfort and natural look. While you might not get the same Brazilian hair quality, there are still some good options in a more affordable range. To wrap it up, the Hermosa 13x4 lace front wig is a solid choice if you're looking for a natural, comfortable, and customizable wig. It offers great features, especially for those who want a high-quality human hair wig with the freedom to style it however they please. If you've used this wig before, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience and any tips you have for others. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.